Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Stream Deck ULANZI D200 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage all your icons on your Stream Deck here. So as you can see, at first we have to download the ULANZI DEC application, and the tutorial for installing this application is on our YouTube channel, so just search for it. And as you can see, here is our application. Here we have customized keyboard, and we have a lot of things over here, some new buttons, and here we have default profile. We can create a new profile so that I can show you how to manage all your icons. Here, as you can see, I can select the button that you want to drop the action into the action, as you can see. And for example, I want to turn on and off our button brightness. It's difficult to drag it when our sensitivity is low, and this is the first button. I don't know if the Lightmaster plugin is working now, so let's wait. So let's add another one. For example, it will be creating a folder for our icons, info the title, and here, for example, not from here, soundboard, no soundboard. Random action from multi-action. As you can see, we have some random things, and to manage these buttons we can just drag them across all the here map. If we go back to our default profile, we can see that we have here apps, links, tutorials, emojis, shot record, website, stop play, and some folder. Now we can just drag these buttons to the right or the left, and as you can see, it is dynamically changing. Here we have this folder icon. We can delete this icon by right-clicking on this icon and clicking delete here, but we have to just at first mark it and delete. As you can see, it worked. For example, I want to delete this website, for our website, delete, and as you can see, it works. This is how you manage the buttons and add them. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.